Hey everyone, and welcome to Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of these itty bitty knit kits that I got from Five Below. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, I am at it again. I just received today these kits that I found on Five Below. They're actually by this other company, Bright Stripes, but if you go to your local Five Below, you should be able to find these. So we're just gonna go through some of the kits to see what's inside and see what characters we have. So first, let's check out this one. This one is called Lemonetta, and I love their names, you guys. These are so cute. This looks like a glass of lemonade. So I've had some requests to do some of these kits. At the time, I could not I could not find them, and then I just ended up checking online again, and I found some of these, so I'll be able to do some of these kits now, which is great. If you do have any requests and you don't want to wait for me to find it, you can always go ahead and email me clear images of the instructions so that I can make helpful videos for you based off of that. Alright, so for in this itty bitty knit kit, we have Lemonetta. And I did pop into their the Bright Stripes website once, and they do have a lot more in there than just knitting. But it's really cool to see all the different stuff that they have. And they do have some other knit kits that are not on the Five Below website. So I don't know if those are old kits or just kits that weren't approved by Five Below. But yeah, and I don't really know, because Dollar Tree has their exclusive company that sells them kits. I guess I should always check out their website, see if they have one. But yeah, this Bright Stripes has their own website. So in these kits, they come with the instructions with illustrations. It comes with the yarn. There's another yarn spool in there. I'm not going to take them all out because in each video I am going to reopen these and see what's in there. But we've got, I didn't know if the needles would be in there, but I forget they're small. But yeah, it comes with the knitting needles and stuffing, and then it comes with the felt stickers and a tapestry needle. It looks like there's a little wedge for your little drink there. So I think that's so cool. Cannot wait to do these. And they will be distanced apart with the other stuff I have on my list. So I do have an ongoing list. There's a lot of stuff on there. So I just give me some time to get through them. And then I'll get to these kits. Same. This one, oh, I haven't even opened it, didn't even show. This one is called Coney. And look how cute. I think someone had asked me to do this one. So I'm glad I found it. Instructions. Same thing. I think each kit comes with the same thing. So if you do these kits like no other, then you're in for a treat, because that means you're going to have a ton of knitting needles at the end of the day. Which is fine, because you can re-gift these. Just go get like a spool of yarn and, have them, give that to them, or you can keep yourself and keep using. I don't know. But yeah, it comes with these cute needles. These are yellow, which is funny because I think the yellow one should have gone with the Lemonetta. But yeah, and then it'll come with the felt stickers. There's sprinkles on here, so that's gonna be fun. And we did do the last video I did was of the boba, and I had such a hard time with that lid, so I can only imagine the difficulty it's going to be trying to do the cone. Alright. And last but not least, which is actually one that I really, really like because I love croissants. This is Madame Croissant. And I just can't wait to do that one. It's so funny. Funny looking. I love these kits. The instructions. And I love how they're all color coded. It's all themed. Something that Woobles will do, but Woobles is like 60 bucks sometimes for a kit. And granted, they do have great quality everything, but at the same time though, it's 60 bucks. This one I can't remember, but obviously it was less than $5, so it might have been 4 and some change. But anyway, blue ones. I'm gonna have so many needles after this. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I mean, I could repackage and a giveaway. Speaking of, hopefully at some point I can get there soon. But at any rate, that is the 3 kits. Oops. We have Madame Croissant, we have Coney, and then last but not least, we have Lemonetta. Comment below, let me know what you think. Would you get these at Five Below? Do you already have them? And again, if you have any requests, feel free to comment below. But at the same time, if you don't want to have to wait for them, or at least wait longer for me to find them, or eventually not even find them, because that has happened, go ahead and email me a clear image of the instructions, and hopefully I'll be able to help you out. At any rate, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. This is Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.